Cody's support staff and their customer support, 24/7 customer support, is an aspect that you will not get with any other company, any other product that you decide to purchase. Anytime I've needed Cody, whether it was 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you speak to live personnel. Today, with the information wave as it is, press 1 for English, 2 for Spanish, and just automated systems when you call anything from Pico to even police departments at times. You don't get that with Cody. You get almost a family aspect because everybody knows you, and you talk to somebody live every single time. I can't tell you how many times we've had system malfunctions and we were able to get back online immediately with the help of a staff member from Cody. Anything that we see along the way that we need for our department that some other department may not need, they're able to program it or make it fit our needs. From our reports to our roll call training, the roll call flags. It's out there for anybody to use, but it's kind of morphed its way for Falls Township per se. So it's an amazing feature of having Cody, is having there to help somebody there every step of the way, to know you're not alone trying to implement everything. It is a huge sense of relief, and everybody's great. I have not ever had an issue contacting customer support, ever. I use C.O.B.R.A most of the time since I'm inside now. C.O.B.R.A and a couple of the other features that other departments don't have. They'll just call me and to run a search on a name or a vehicle to see if there's any contacts. Once we find out that they were contacts, we're able to provide them what departments have had contact, and they go ahead with their investigations from a federal level and a state level. So they know some of our larger departments on the lower end of Bucks County are with Cody. So we pretty much can tell who's having contact, what kind of crimes are occurring in the area. So the drill down aspects, the information, just anything you can think about as far as an information standpoint that you would need at your fingertips. Not only as a patrolman, but as a sergeant running the road, a lieutenant to print out your monthly stat reports, is just, it's all there for you. Amazing, amazing resource. It was really easy. I couldn't believe it. I went from keeping 3x5 cards on individuals with me on patrol to kind of keep a look at the area or the known offenders to having it at my fingertips in the vehicle. Just an amazing, amazing tool, resource on the street that we're able to run searches on anything from vehicles to the persons. It was great. We've made a lot of changes. The guys went from writing reports and our clerks importing it into Cody to everybody writing the reports, creating their own incidents, and kind of doing a department-wide training on that. As soon as if there's a glitch in the vehicles or a glitch in the department, you know right away, because we've come to rely on Cody. That's pretty much the foundation of everything we do on a daily basis. So without Cody, especially the newer generation, forgets what it's like to write a report, or may never have written a report before, in the old Word documents or a handwritten report. So it's made life a lot easier for everybody. And we have the interface with the booking center. But that was another addition in 2010 that we got between C.O.B.R.A and the state database, because we're a booking center to Cody, so it actually talks to one another, and that was a lot putting together, but the staff at Cody were instrumental in getting that through. It was difficult at times, but we got it working, and it works flawless. So Cody's been instrumental every day. You hear the supervisor's going on, and an officer will be getting dispatched to a certain location. Even myself, you automatically, it's almost force of habit, you put in the address to see how many contacts you had, or you pull up the individual while you're on route to a call. The supervisor normally does it. Will pull up this person's information, and you could say, hey, listen, this person's been flagged with weapons, or you know, there's an officer safety issue here, wait for backup units to respond before you go in there. So I wouldn't say that there's a single success story. I'd say overall, the success story is daily, because it is used so much by the officers on the road and the people at headquarters in general. I can't tell you, it's not just a single success story, it's daily.